Make a joyful noise to the Lord. Shout it from the rooftops. So sing to the Lord a new song. For he has done marvelous things. His right hand and his holy arm have gained the victory. The Lord has made known his salvation, his righteousness he has revealed in the sight of the nations. He has remembered his mercy and his faithfulness to the house of Israel. All the ends of the earth have seen the salvation of our God. Shout joyfully to the Lord. All the earth break forth in song, rejoice and sing. Praises sing to the Lord with the harp and the sound of a psalm. Shout joyfully before the Lord, the King. Make a joyful noise. Make a joyful noise. Make a joyful noise to the Lord. Make a joyful noise. Make a joyful shout to the Lord. Make a joyful shout to the Lord. Make a joyful shout to the Lord. Make a joyful noise to the Lord. Make a joyful shout to the Lord, all you lands. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come before his presence with singing. Know that the Lord, he is God. It is he who has made us, and not we ourselves. We are his people and the sheep of his pasture. Enter into his gates with thanksgiving and into his courts with praise. Be thankful to him and bless his name. For the Lord is good, his mercy is everlasting, and his truth endures to all generations. Make a joyful noise. Make a joyful noise to the Lord. Make a joyful shout to the Lord. Make a joyful shout to the Lord. Make a joyful shout to the Lord. Make a joyful noise to the Lord.